morning, YouTube. Louie here with the best silver gold deals of Tuesday, March 26th, 2024. It is Gold FOMO Day. So yesterday was mild, but today is wild. We've got gold at 2,196.80, up 25 bucks, and silver up 13 cents at 24.76. I think silver is going to run today. Right now it's playing possum. We have the silver gold ratio at 88.30 because gold has been so strong. Why is gold strong? Well, let's see. We've got the 10-year down to 4.241, only down a hair, and the US dollar down a lot at 104.07. I think what's happening here is people are again taking kind of a dovish view on interest rates and looking forward to that PCE report, which I think is on Friday, which people are saying is going to be lower. So that would be good for metals, really good for metals, and metals do tend to run before a major government release. So we'll see what happens to gold. I think gold is definitely trying to make a run here, but silver is still investable, is still buyable, is still cheap, and that's where I'd be putting my money if I only had to buy one. We've got the greed index at 67, down a little bit, with Dow futures up 85, S&P futures up 19.5, and NASDAQ futures up 93.75. Copper has, if you're watching copper, copper has regained the $4 handle. And here we have commodities looking strong with crude up, natural gas up. Let's see, of course, gold, silver, copper up, coal up. All right, well, I am taking a cue from copper here, and I do think we'll see copper continue to move up. And that is why I like silver right now. We've got both constructive 10-year, constructive US dollar prices, potential for lower PCE and interest rates, and commodities catching a bid, including Bitcoin. Okay, quite a few listings were out of stock this morning, so I must have had the right ones. I've replaced everything with new ones and good stuff on eBay as well. So let's get going. 1/10 Gold Eagle at Bold, 249.23. We'll do the 1 ounce Gold Eagle at Liberty, 2,259.06. If you're looking for a Buffalo, you can find that on Liberty at 2,272.27. All right, I'm not going to go through all the gold. Let's see what a Krugerrand is selling for. 2,221.99. All right, and the $5 commemoratives over at Bullion Exchanges are 537.84. We still have the 1 gram gold at spot over at APMEX. We still have the Rooster at a good price. Let's see what gold in assay is going for, and that is gold in assay. This is an assay card, and the gold is inside it, giving you a little extra comfort that it has been authenticated. But they do counterfeit the assay cards as well as the gold. So that is 2,215.09 at Liberty. You can still get the Platinum Eagle if you're collecting those. And the best price on platinum is the Noble at 994.01. There is no way that gold goes up and silver and platinum stay down. I just don't see that happening. But right now we still got a deal on platinum. Okay, let's get going to the Eagles. You can still get one at spot at Bullion Exchanges, and you can get the rest also at Bullion Exchanges at 29.67. That is a $4.65 premium on Eagles. You don't have to pay more. You can pick those up. You can get them for even cheaper at Pinehurst for $28.80 for a tube of 20. Unless you're shopping on eBay, that's going to be your best price for a full tube. And lightly used are a little cheaper at $28.90 if you only want 1 or 2. Those will possibly be circulated and probably come in a flip. Like I said, gold is running, but I'm not chasing gold here, and I would not be chasing gold here. I'd be looking for silver to follow its big brother. It's saying, come on, sister, let's go, we're going to run. And we may be stumbling a little bit at the moment, but I think the sister is going to catch up with the brother. Okay, we've got Maples at Bullion Exchanges 1 at spot, and the best overall price is still at Monument Metals 27.47. They must have a lot because I guarantee they're selling a lot at this price. So go get some maples if you need those. Next best coin to a silver eagle. So if you don't want to pay the higher premium on the silver eagle, maple is definitely the very, very next best choice. Okay, Britannias are at bold at 27.79. Similar pricing on the Ruse, the Krugerrands, and the Philharmonics. You can still get these sovereign 1 ounce coins for probably less than you'll pay for a round. If you're looking for sovereign bullion, perhaps the tax rules are better for you on sovereign coins. The sale back is easier to your LCS. Even though you may not like the design, that could be a very wise choice. All right, and we'll keep watching Costco for the deals that come out. The silver maple was on sale a long time the other day, so maybe that'll come back, and maybe the buffalo will come back. Wouldn't that be nice? I'd love to get that buffalo for 4% under retail. Okay, and in the junk category, Monument Metals 192.91 for $10 face. Let's see, the Sunshine Mint Bar is gone. They sold those out, but here is probably the next best choice, or maybe the Golden State Mint Bar. And I did find the Sunshine Bar on eBay, which is still a good deal over there. $264.40 for this hieroglyphics bar from JBR over at Bold. You could pick those up. Okay, we've got other deals on 10-ounce generic, similar 26-27 pricing. Let's see what bullion.com is. 267.40 for brand new bars there. Maybe you'll get the Sunshine Bar, maybe you won't. If you do pick that up, try to use the discount code here when you get over $1,000. We've still got various 10-ounce bars. Here is the Silvertown bar, still available at 268.22. That is also a very good choice, and poured in cast bullion. Okay, on eBay, we've got $5.80 for the Silver Eagles, so that's about $29 a piece. And you can get 3% off with your PayPal card, 3.33% off with your eBay card, possibly 4.5% off with your Capital One card. So 29 could turn into 28 pretty fast there if you want to try that out. I'll show you the cards in a minute. Here we've got the Maples at 702.39, and we have got the Britannias at 698.82, good price. Kangaroos, can we beat that price? No, 702.30. And the Krugerrands at 694.26. That is pretty cool. Random year, so I don't know. The Krugerrands can spot, so keep that in mind. Here is that Sunshine Mint Bar. So I found it on eBay. You get that for $274 and get your 3, 4, 5% off on that. That'll make that a great price. Buy those up. If you buy 5, you can get them for $273. Okay, a lot of silver there if you need it. We have got the cheapest kilo is $826.30. Apply your rebates and stack the weight. All right, you can get the Coke bar for $279 over on eBay and use your credit cards. Here is that 10 bar deal. They're a little pricey here compared to the 10 ounce. But the 1 ounce will do better in the aftermarket than the 10 ounce on a percentage basis. You may want to pick those up. And here are the Germania bars. $5.84 puts you at about $29.25 a piece. And if you could get 5% off on that, woo, that'd be smoking. Okay, the Coronation coins, $7.59 for a tube of 20. For the Britannia Coronation coin, limited mintage, one-off coin, probably will do well in the aftermarket down the road. And it's a nice looking coin to boot. Okay, Platinum Eagle, 1135.69, use your rebates. And let's get going with the 1/10 ounce gold, 254.07 minus rebates. For the 1/2 ounce gold, 1,182.62 minus rebates. For the 1 ounce gold, 2,258. And if you got even 3% off on that, that'd be $70 off. You'd be under spot this morning if you pick up those 1 ounce gold deals, even with just the PayPal credit card. Okay, and similar deals. Let's look at the commemoratives. Still a great choice, 539.72 through eBay. Use your credit cards. Let's see what this listing sold for, and somebody got it for $545. And the reason that we buy these is you pick up the nearly 1/4 ounce sovereign American gold, and then you probably get this silver for free. So $545, $550 was shipping, minus $15-20 off. You can see why people bid on those. Here's another listing if you're looking for it. It goes off in 10 hours, currently trading at $520. Use that Gixxon sniper tool if you want to pick that up. A 1/10 gold Britannia on eBay, $245.10, and a 1/10 ounce maple, $246.20 on eBay. A 1/4 ounce gold maple, $591, and use your rebates if you have to buy a 1/4 ounce. Let's see, and the silver has not made its move yet, but I think it's coming. I think it's coming. Okay, you're going to pay over $300 for a decent bar, maybe over $320. Or these vintage. I like these. I don't know how nice they would be, but $314 for a vintage Sunshine Mint 10 ounce bar. I'll get out of here. All right, and here is stuff in my store. Here is the eBay card, 3.33% cash back, guaranteed, but you have to spend $1,000 first. But some of you big hitters, you'll want this card. Spend your $1,000 and get on to buying gold if that's what you're doing on eBay. Here's the Rakuten card, which is working on precious metals these days. 1% cash back when you click through Rakuten before you buy. Here's the PayPal card with 3% cash back on eBay. And here are spot deals in the pick of the day. We've still got the fancy Luna and the Lion bar, 28.99 now. And we've got the Coke bar. This is over at Walmart if you want to try that out with your PayPal card or your Capital One Walmart card. 143.70 for 5 1 ounce Coca-Cola bars. Maybe the 1 ounce don't come in the red packaging like the 10 ounce. And here you can get 25 individual grams at bullion exchanges, 1945.31, and that's about $2,400 melt, but then you'd have stacker gold. You guys are paying more than that for those 1/4 ounce gold eagles, I think. All right, we've got the cheap kilos, we've got the Libertad for you collectors, and anything else you want to know about here. The 1 ounce Germania bar, best price at Monument Metals, $29. If you can beat that on eBay, I'd do it that way. 1 ounce silver rounds. Okay, you can still get the Mustang at about $26.25. Good price on the Mustang round. On the random secondary market, $27.20. Ooh, that went up. The Cowboys are catching a bid. They know these are popular, so now they are $27.50, nearly $28 an ounce. Let's see, 25, $27.50, about $27.50 or so for the Cowboy rounds. I guess those are pretty popular. Okay, in the 1 ounce round category at Golden Eagle, 26.62. That is a great deal for brand new rounds. This Dragon Bar is 26.63. You could still pick those up. Here's the Golden State Mint Bar, and it is 27.08. That's a high quality, very, very nice bar if you want to pick those up at Bold. And what else do we have? We've got the YouTube coin shops, Vermilion, Minot, and Coin Huskers. There's my sponsor. Check it out and help me out to fund all the work I do every morning. Try the free trial and keep it because you'll like it. Here's the Gixxon Sniper Tool. And what else do we have? We've got the spot deals. The Walmart Capital One card will get you 5% cash back. So do sign up for that and try to get a smoking deal on Walmart. Make sure they don't charge you sales tax, which some people have complained about. Here's the Quicksilver card, which you have to get. You guys just have to get this Quicksilver card. They're going to give you a $200 cash back, which is cool. 1.5% everywhere. Now, you know, PayPal is my everywhere card right now because it's 2% or 3% sometimes. But this card comes with a special benefit, which is there are these special rebate deals. Right now, eBay is 4%. You couple these two cards and you're at 5.5% when you buy on eBay. And I think, okay, this is breaking news, and some of you may want to confirm this. I don't think you even have to use the Capital One card to get the merchant rebate into your Capital One account. I think you might be able to use the PayPal card. You might be able to check out through PayPal and still get the 4%. If you do that, you'd be getting 7% off on anything on eBay. So I can't promise that, but I was reading the disclosures on these additional rebates, and it does not say you have to use the Capital One card. So get the Capital One card, qualify yourself for the extra rebates, click through the continue to merchant tab, and pay with your highest rebate card, and you might be able to get up to 7% off. I haven't tried it yet, but that's what I'm thinking. Okay, and what's going on in the chat room? No, nobody in there this morning. I guess people aren't that excited about gold. Well, they ought to be because everybody else is. We got gold FOMO really heating up here. Let's see if we can bust 2,000 on the price of gold. Nope, still under 2,000, and silver up 15 cents right now. Like I said, I don't think you can keep silver down with copper up, with you know, the GSR at a pretty high rate, pretty high level, the 10-year down, and the U.S. dollar down. Major release coming on Friday. PCE whispering that it might be lower, and I would have thought it'd be hot because gold, oil is up and so forth, but PCE could come on lighter. I don't know if you want to take that risk or not, but we've got every reason in the world why silver should run today, and I'd be buying silver, not gold, but that's just me. Okay, guys, let me know what you think and what you're buying and what you're liking and what you're not liking, and tell me how it is out there. I'll see you tomorrow.